Hello guys, review Infinix HOT 60 Pro Plus. This version 8GB RAM memory and 256GB storage. Open box and look complementation. In complementation we have device and we have protected back cover, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay, on this side power button and volume buttons, on the back side triple camera, on the front 6.8-inch display, and downside Type-C, speaker, microphone and slot for SIM card. Turn on device, we have AMOLED Full HD Plus display, Full HD Plus resolution 144 Hz. We have XOS 15.1.1, Android 15, close this, and open Geekbench 6. Talk about system information. We have 6+2 cores GPU, this MediaTek Helio G200 and Mali G57. Look results, single core score, multi-core score, and look GPU test results. AnTuTu benchmark, AnTuTu benchmark results. Then touches support display easily and run PUBG Mobile. Look how this game works on the device. Game load. Load on the max graphic level and ultra frame rate. And game load on the max graphic level. Very good graphic level. Okay, that's all. Look, camera. I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.